In this expression, we're asked to subtract unlike rational expressions. Notice the denominators are different, so we need to go ahead and first factor so that we can find out what are all the different unique factors involved. Find the LCD, then rewrite the expression so that we can subtract them. So on the first expression, I'm going to go ahead and factor out the GCF of a 3 and write what's left in parentheses. So once I've done that, notice here that what I have left is the y minus 2, and on the second expression, I have the opposite or the reverse of that. So I can see that my LCD can simply be just what you see underneath the first expression, which is 3 times y minus 2. So if that's my LCD, then I look at the second expression, and since it's in reverse form, we've got to do the -1 thing to it. But in addition to the -1 of reversing that so that we can get y minus 2, what else are we missing? That's correct. We're also missing that 3. So what you have is 3 times -1 is -3. So in essence, what you'll be multiplying that second expression with is a -3. Because remember, you need a negative in order to reverse that bottom of 2 minus y. It also needed 3. So 3 times -1, that's where that -3 comes in, that you have to multiply the top and the bottom with. Remember, you didn't have to multiply anything with the first expression because that was your LCD. And so now we can go ahead and combine these. So on top, anytime you have the negative here in front, this negative applies to that number. So you can think of this on top as having -3 and -2. Negative and a negative being multiplied is going to give you a positive. And that's going to be a positive over your LCD. Another way you can look at it is simply multiply 2 times -3, and that gives you -6 plus that negative in front of it. It's either way, you're going to have y plus 6 on top with your LCD on bottom. So again, you can think of it as a -2 times -3, which gives you +6, or simply multiply 2 times -3, which is -6, but with a negative in front of it becomes +6. So there you have it. Our answer is y plus 6 over my LCD of 3 times y minus 2.